Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Suppose you opened a second shop in a busy market as an add-on to your main store. But now, your business strategy has changed. That extra shop isn't needed anymore. So, would you keep paying rent and maintaining it? Nope, you'd shut it down and focus on what actually matters. That's exactly how add-on domains work in web hosting. They're like digital extensions of your main site. But if you're no longer using one, it's better to remove it before it turns into clutter you don't need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to safely remove an add-on domain using cPanel step by step. And hey, if you're tired of dealing with confusing dashboards, slow servers, or support teams that don't respond, switch to YouStable, the hosting company that actually cares. Their cPanel is clean and beginner-friendly. Uptime is rock solid, no sudden crashes. And their support team, super responsive, no bots, just real people who get the job done. Whether you're managing one website or juggling multiple, YouStable makes it easy, fast, and stress-free. All right, let's jump in and clean up that extra domain. Let's learn how to remove an add-on domain. Scroll down to the Domains section and click Domains. There is a list of all the add-on domains. Click the Manage button of that particular row of the domain, which you want to remove. Click the Remove Domain button. Click the Remove button and confirm the removal of the add-on domain. That's it. We have successfully removed the add-on domain. Now you know how to remove an add-on domain. Thank you for watching.